So today I'm going to show you how to change your username on your TradingView. Or you want to find your username, what username are you using, and you want to change it to your preferred username. How do you go about it? What you need to do is we're going to open our TradingView. So let's open it. This is it here. So I'm going to open it. Once you open it, you need to come to this your three line here. Once you click on it, this is it. And then it's going to take you. Okay, let's open our light mode. Okay, now so what you need to do is now you need to click on this your username. Once you click on your username, it's going to bring this pencil. So click on this pencil. So I want to change this my username now. So and don't forget to say we can only change this username only once. So if you are not ready to change it, don't change it yet. So I'm just going to change my username now to Jumi Classic. So it's very essential to change it to the name that you will not be able to change again. So this is very simple. Once you do that, you can see it's very easy. Show on my online status, and this is it. I've changed it. Just click on this your mark, and I've already changed my username. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.